Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. For this video I've done some deep research about Adversal, how you can make money with this paying advertising network, how it works, some things about eligibility, withdrawal, and many more important subjects about Adversal. If you like it, you can subscribe and turn on the notification bell because I'm posting every day. So in this way, you will be notified once we post another update. So let's get started. First, I want to make a brief explanation about what is Adversal. Well, Adversal is a CPM model ad network for monetization of publishers' website. Adversal headquarters is located at Carmel in Dania, USA. This network built in CPM follows the principles of EU and EEA's General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR. So you may wonder how it works, how Adversal works. So this is a self-service network. It offers native ads, video ads, social, mobile, and desktop display ads. So this is a really good thing. You can also have the mobile ads. Adversal determines the payment rates on source of the traffic. This program's ad targets are mostly Americans, although websites with low traffic from North America might not get much. However, this network pays for impressions instead of just clicks, so every valid visitor will earn the publisher. Adversal is known for its pop-under ads. These ads operate on such code that are not affected by pop-up blockers and help publishers get revenue. Apart from this, Adversal also supports skyscraper, a banner, leaderboard, a minuscule, and medium rectangle. Adversal also have a referral sub-affiliate program. Publisher receive 10% referral commission, but for only 1 year. So some things about the eligibility and the limit. Publishers need their own web domain and operating website with original content, privacy policy, proper layout and design, and must have minimum 2 pages. Website which are less than 60 days old, under construction, or incomplete website are not accepted. Website must not have any activity that is questionable. All types of illegal activities, hateful, vulgar, drug, auto, spam, malicious software, affecting browser or navigation, artificial impressions are strictly prohibited in this network. Pay-to-programs, traffic exchanges, image hosting, file sharing, URL shortening, software download are also not supported. A harsh requirement is that publishers' website must have 50,000 monthly page views. So you need 50,000 monthly page views. Some cons about Adversal. Well, Adversal, although a good alternative of Google Adsense, but it put up so many limits for eligibility that only a well-built and high-traffic website is able to get approved. Struggling bloggers and freshers might have to look up for another alternative, although make money websites are also not illegal. However, Adversal has put them and may not be listed. So such website owners also have to find another option for revenue. Speaking of the withdrawal, this network issue payments in the following method. So PayPal and BankWire for international publishers, minimum withdrawal by PayPal is $20 and by BankWire is $250. Check and ACH, which is direct deposit for US publishers, the minimum withdrawal by check is $20 and by ACH is $100. Payment is issued on net 35 frequency, so that means 35 days after end of month. In case of cancelled or returned fund, fees will be deducted from publisher's account. So now guys, let's take a look on their website here. You can go to home, and here you will see this page. If you want to learn more about Adversal, you can click here on learn more, and now we can read what they are saying. Our self-serve platform makes it easy to get your campaign set up within moments. No paperwork to hold up the process. The smart interface, so you can start, stop, pause campaigns, edit bids, and review reports hassle-free with their intuitive interface. If you want to create a campaign, just click here. Now you can swipe. You have really stunning native ads, color tiles, so you can optionally use a randomly generating appealing color palette to draw the attention to your message, and you can also create your message and upload your images to create visually a nice native advertisements to connect with your users. So they have viewable impressions, website clicks, drive native traffic. You can get a boost, self-serve platform, and smart interface, like I said in the beginning. So that's it guys. If you want to learn more about Adversal, you can go here on their website, get started today, learn more. As I said, here you have the contact, and if this video was useful, you can like it, you can comment in the comment section down below your thoughts about Adversal, about this network, this advertising network, and I will make sure to answer to your questions as quickly as possible. So yeah, thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.